How's it going, guys, and welcome back finally to another video. We are here at Bee Hive and let's just get going. We have 5k in the balance, so let's start perhaps with a 1k buy so you guys can see what this slot can do. Let's go. Oh shit, yeah, that was a 10k. We ain't got that type of money. Let's go. 1k. Maybe this is a bit too loud for you guys. Okay, we want this little pot so that whatever we win gets a multiplier. Okay, so you could see there that little bee with the 10 euros. Yeah, so you need this golden egg to collect those bees. And sometimes you can get some multipliers on the collectors as well. Okay, we want the chalices. Come on. Alright. Okay, so we have a 2x now and 2 extra spins. So come on, can we get it to 3x? Or just start collecting? Alright, another chalice and a collector. Alright, okay, that's more like it. Damn, if we were already on a 3x, but yeah. Beggars cannot be choosers. Ooh, nice. Alright, that increases our total amount a lot. We're already halfway through it. Hopefully we can get to 3x. Alright, we can. 2 extra spins. We have now 4 spins left. And it's 3x now. So, come on, some collectors. Come on, just clear the whole screen and just give me bees. That's a start. Could be bigger. Come on, give me more bees. Alright. See, the 3x makes such a huge difference. Alright, nice. Okay, we're almost breaking even. We still have 2 spins and this one is still not over. Alright. We have 903 so far. We're almost at profit. Come on, we have a collector, now drop big bees. Ooh! What a drop! And we have the plus that is gonna be multiplied. Damn! What a win! Man, that's almost breaking even just in this spin. What the fuck? 810 just in this spin. That leaves us with a total of 1752 for this 1k buy. Damn, this slot hasn't disappointed me yet. Alright, we can increase it. We can go up to a 2k buy. Let's go. So as you can see, we want early chalices, we want that multiplier real high. We could collect this. Alright, with the multiplier. 2x. That's a good start. And a chalice. Can we get some more bees now? We have a lot of room. We do. We do get more bees. Okay. Damn. Alright. I mean, we don't even have a multiplier here, but just the collector is doing bits. And it keeps on coming. Let's go. I'm not sure how many you need for these symbols to collect. Okay, it's probably 6 because there are 5 here. Okay, we're already halfway through breaking even. I mean, no, we're more than halfway through. This is just the bees ones. And it's the first spin. Holy shit! Imagine if this collected this. Damn. Alright. This is already breaking even, no? Much more than that. And it's the first fucking spin. It's not ending. Holy shit. Please don't stop. I've only played this game a few times, but every time it was fucking crazy. 3,158 just on the first spin. I mean, now it's probably gonna be dead the whole the whole way through, but damn, it already did its job. Alright, we have 2 extra spins and now on 2x. Alright, one more chalice. Oof, that was a big boy. Come on, a little extra, no? Come on, another chalice? Yeah, it's pretty much dead after that. But 3,198, holy shit. That's big profit. Alright, I mean, I guess we can up the bet and go to a 5k. I mean, hopefully it will keep on with the profit. But before I do it, guys, don't forget to subscribe. Just leave a little like on the video. I've been out for a little while, but now I'm coming back. And just know, gamble safely, responsibly, and with money that you can afford to lose. Now let's go. Okay, early chalice. We like those. Another chalice and a collector. Damn, these bees are gonna be huge this round. Okay, we're already on the 2x round. We have a big bee there, we could get a collector. And 2 extra spins, I forgot about that. Holy shit, yeah, we have 500 bees. Okay, keep on with the chalices and the bees. Okay. Okay, alright. That helps a little bit. Oh shit, we got a multiplier. Come on, just do it like before. You know you can do it. Oh shit. It has started. Come on. Just hit these maybe? Damn. We're going 400 each time. And it's a small bee. Just imagine on the 500 euros bee. Ah man, it stopped. But now you can see the potential in this. Come on. Ah, don't die here. Alright. We have any hits here? I don't think so. Ah. Alright. Yeah. Oof. Come on, don't die. Shit, we need another chalice or a big collector now. Come on, don't die. Oof. We have some nice bees here. Oof, come on, don't play with me. Give me this symbol. Oh, no collector, nothing. Come on. Oh, fuck yeah, we got a chalice. Now we need a collector in this. Come on, just collect it. Oh man, this game is playing with me. Oh, we finally got it, and we got the big P. That's what I'm talking about. Damn, what a spin. It's already profit. Holy shit. Come on. We can get a little something now. Oof, that would have been great. Damn, and there we go, guys. 3 buys, all with profit. We end up with 3,145 of profit, and that's an amazing way to come back. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and pay attention to new videos that may come out, and I will see you on the next one.